Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on One2Step, and in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change your password of your Amazon Prime. So stick with me till the end and let's get this video started. Firstly, make your way to a web browser and search for primevideo.com. And make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just click on the arrow on the top right and then open up accounts and settings. Here you'll have a sign in box. You just need to enter in your details and click on sign in. In the next page you will see a couple of things, and make sure that you are under your account, so just click on your account option and you'll see your details. Just click on edit on Amazon, and again you need to type in your details. Type in the details and click on sign in, and you can see all of your details of your Amazon account. You just click on the edit option which says password. Now before you create a new password, you must type in the current one. Now you can create a new password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters and special characters. And then again re-enter your password. Make sure that both of your new passwords match, and then just click on save changes. And easy as that, you have now successfully changed your password of Amazon Prime. So that's how easily you do it. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.